Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be seeing DIY skincare, basically face masks and face scrubs, which can also be used as body scrubs. So these are the main ingredients. So coming to the first face pack, for this face pack we will be using besan, or also called as chickpea flour. Here I'm taking some of it in a bowl, say 3 tablespoons of it. You can take the amount based on how much you're going to use. Along with it, I'm taking some turmeric, a pinch of it. Make sure you don't add too much of turmeric, as you know it gives out a lot of color. And then mixing the both together. You can use water to make it into a paste. Or if you don't want to use water, you can also use fresh yogurt. Using fresh yogurt helps great for dry skin. As you know, this face pack is very basic but very effective. So here I am taking some yogurt and mixing all 3 ingredients together. Besan is rich in zinc, which helps fighting infections which will trigger acne breakout. And it's great for removing tan. So this is how it should look after you've mixed all 3, like a paste consistency, not too loose, not too thick, and you're ready to apply as it is. So along with this face pack, you can also use aloe vera, which is optional. Here I haven't used aloe vera, so I'm showing you a patch test of this face pack on my hand. Just take a little bit of the paste and apply it evenly all over the face and let it dry. This is a great exfoliator for dead skin and also reduces oiliness. This face pack has great benefits. So after it's dried for about 5 to 10 minutes, it is ready to scrub. You can remove it in 2 ways. One way is by scrubbing, just the way I am showing it here. The other way is you can wash it. So this is the second face pack. Here we are using chia seeds or sabja seeds. This is how it looks in case you don't know what it is. So I'm taking some of the chia seeds in a bowl. So we need to soak the chia seeds. For that I'm using some water to a level where it can soak. And let it soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. So this is how it will look after it's soaked, like a puffy appearance. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, which fights aging, soothes inflammation and reduces acne scars. So after it's puffed up like this, you need to grind it in the mixer into a paste. So after you've ground it, this is how it will look. It has almost like a slime consistency, which is sticky. So now you're ready to apply. So here I'm showing you a patch test on my hand. You can also use citrus or curd along with this, or apply as it is. You can already see how it's glowing. This face pack basically is a peel-off mask. After you apply it on your face, you need to wait for it to dry and then you peel it off. This is a great face pack. If you haven't tried it yet, please do try it and comment down below. How do you feel about this? I've tried it myself and I love the results. So now coming to the face scrub, which can also be used as a body scrub. For the first one, I'm taking coffee powder, which is raw. So taking some of the coffee powder into the bowl. So along with it, I am taking virgin coconut oil. You can use any oil you want. I prefer using coconut oil, and mix the both together. The polyphenols and hydrocinamic acid in coffee helps reduce inflammation, soothe red and inflamed breakouts. After you've mixed well, it's ready to apply. So I'm showing you a patch test on my hand. Just take a little bit of the scrub and gently scrub it on your hand or your face or your body with bare hands and wash it off. The antioxidants in coffee gives you great radiance. It removes dead skin cells, reduces puffiness, reduces the appearance of cellulite. It has great benefits. So for the second face scrub or body scrub, we are using sugar. Along with sugar, we need a tomato or a potato. So here I'm using a tomato. You need to cut the tomato and just dip it in the sugar, and you're ready to apply it directly. Just scrub it in circular motions. Sugar is a great exfoliate. It brightens dull, tired looking skin to promote healthy, smooth and flawless skin. And tomato reduces open pores and blackheads. It's the same with the potato. So after all this, I like to use a toner. This is the toner from Kaya. Or I like to use this toner from Biotique, which is the Bio Honey Water. I love this range. After the toner, I use the moisturizer from Nivea. Or I use this Garnier Wrinkle Lift Cream. Then after the moisturizer, I like to use a sunscreen gel. This is the Fisico sunscreen gel. So that is it, guys. If you like this video, then subscribe and hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Until then, bye.